Hello kids, welcome back to our channel Mini Education School. Today we will learn and write small letters in cursive writing. So let's start. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for girl. H. H for hen. I for ink. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for red. S. S for sheep. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.